Well over a month's worth of rain to fall between Friday and Monday over much of southeastern Australia. I'll get to those forecast totals very shortly. Firstly, let's recap the past 7 days. Heavy showers and storms through much of northern Australia and also up and down the eastern seaboard, including the eastern inland. Burke, for example, has had over 40 millimetres over the past week. It was all from one storm that occurred on Tuesday. Tasmania's also picked up good falls. Hobart's had 29 millimetres over the past week. I've seen some heavy rain across Eyre Peninsula, much of that falling about a week ago now. WA has only seen light falls, mainly for the southern parts of the state. Let's get to the forecast rain. Huge rain and storm event ahead. It starts today in South Australia. A trough is linking up with tropical moisture. Widespread showers and storms moving from the western to the eastern part of the state, and we could see heavy falls and severe thunderstorms with flash flooding. Storms also could be severe through western Victoria Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, and some storms developing through western Tasmania later. A separate weather system is bringing heavy showers and storms to the Queensland coast, with storms for the eastern inland along a trough, and northeast New South Wales probably also picking up some pretty good falls today. So heavy falls already on Thursday, but this rain event will peak on Friday and Saturday. Take a look at the rain forecast just for Friday alone over southeastern Australia. Well over 50 millimetres, the dark shading for the Victorian Ranges and north of the Ranges. And a flood watch has been issued for almost the whole state, apart from just a number of rivers for the south. A severe weather warning has been issued for flash flooding. That's also for the whole state of Victoria. Also, flood watches are in place for central parts of New South Wales. So widespread heavy rain and thunderstorms for southeastern Australia, including Tasmania on Friday, with the risk of flash flooding. Well, that storms up through the NT, and the showers will ease along the Queensland coast. On Saturday, the heavy rain continues with a deep low travelling over southeastern Australia. Again, 24-hour totals easily exceeding 50 millimetres along the Great Dividing Range, and we could see falls in excess of 100 millimetres falling in just a 24-hour period. So the heavy falls continuing Saturday. Our low will start moving away on Sunday. So the rain will ease, it won't clear. Still some heavy falls for southern Victoria. A trough, though, attached to that low will move east through inland Queensland. As a result, widespread heavy showers and storms, and again severe storms with flash flooding are likely there on Sunday. On Monday, again, Queensland looking at heavy falls. We may even see another low forming early next week just off the southern Queensland coast, and as a result, heavy falls on Tuesday around southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. And that rain hasn't cleared from southeastern Australia. It's just not quite as widespread as what we will see over the next few days. Wednesday, again, some pretty good falls up and down the east coast. Let's take a look at the rain totals of the next 8 days. Now, for WA, we're missing out on the heavy rain. Most areas less than 5 millimetres. 25 to 50 for much of South Australia. That's more than a month's worth of rain. Now, 50 millimetres plus Tasmania, Victoria. Well over 100 millimetres over the Victorian Ranges, north of the Ranges, and over 250 possible around the Alps. Also, we've got falls in excess of 50 millimetres, most of eastern Queensland and much of New South Wales. But for the southern Queensland coast, we should see well over 100 millimetres of rain. So huge falls on the way. We're talking about more than a month's worth of rain in just a few days, and as a result, flooding is essentially guaranteed. We've got a flood watch in place already for all rivers in Victoria, apart from the Glenelg, the Hobbles, the Cann and the Genoa river systems. That river flooding should be minor to moderate in most areas of Victoria, along with the threat of flash flooding. There's also a flood watch in place for some southern and central parts of New South Wales, the Bell, the Beluga, the Murray, and also the Snowy rivers. So look out, widespread heavy rain and flooding on the way, and we'll keep you updated live over the next few days on Sky News Weather as this system evolves.